Speak, B-roll, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash flatline Google Trends chart, then sharp viral spike. This tool spotted the Stanley Cup niche 8 months before TikTok blew up. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash it's $39 a month. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash here's the catch. B-roll, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash exploding topics dashboard overview, trend cards loading. Honestly, what surprised me the most was how consistently it surfaces trends 3 to 18 months before Google even registers them. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash first movers win. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash late movers fight for scraps. B-roll, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash Stanley Cup trend graph inside dashboard, badge reading exploding. Every trend gets a label. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash exploding, regular, or peaked. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash Stanley Cup hit exploding in early 2022. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash TikTok followed 8 months later. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash drop a comment. What niche are you researching right now? B-roll, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash meta trends category tree expanding longevity supplements branch revealing NMN, spermidine, rapamycin, meta trends group smaller trends into bigger categories. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash not just NMN, the entire longevity supplements wave. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash bet on the category, not one product. B-roll, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash split screen exploding topics left, Google Trends right, same product, different detection dates. I tracked 15 breakout trends myself. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash exploding topics caught 12. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash Google Trends caught 7. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash Google also runs 2 to 6 months behind on niche products. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash that lag is your profit window. B-roll, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash exploding topics pricing page scrolling, free tier skip it. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash entrepreneur plan is $39 a month, billed annually. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash investor at $99 adds live Shopify product revenue data. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash agency at $249 adds API access and team seats. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash minimum useful entry point. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash $39. B-roll, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash verdict scorecard animating in with 7.5 counter ticking up. Here's the catch from the hook. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash exploding does not mean profitable. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash pair with the refs to check real margins. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash heavy US bias to LATAM trends show up late. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash score. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash 7.5 out of 10. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash best for solo operators who move fast. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash tell me below, do you use it alone or stack it? B-roll, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash subscribe button pulse animation, channel banner, link in the description. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash subscribe for daily AI tool reviews slash speak.